Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App Recurring Boost Tracker. So what is Recurring Boost? A recurring boost is a special type of Cash App boost that automatically resets after a certain period, usually weekly or monthly. Once activated, it applies discounts to specific purchases like 10% off at a coffee shop every Monday or 15% off food delivery every weekend. You don't need to reactivate it every time. It renews on its own, which is super convenient. So, step 1, open the Cash App and go to the Cash Card tab. Once you're in the Cash Card tab, tap on Boosts. This will show you all the boosts currently available, including one-time and recurring boosts. Step 2, find and activate a recurring boost. Scroll through the list and look for the boost marked as recurring. These boosts typically show a reset period, like renews every day or available once per week. Tap on the boost you want, then tap Add Boost to activate it. If you already have another boost active, you will be asked to replace it. Now let's go to the step 3. Access the recurring boost tracker. Now for the new part, tracking your recurring boosts. Tap the boost section again and then look for Boost Tracker or My Boosts. This feature may vary slightly depending on your app version. Step 4, managing multiple boosts over time. While you can have one boost active at a time, you can swap them as often as you want. Use the tracker to decide which boost offers the most value during the week. Here is a tip. If you use Boost regularly, set a reminder to check the tracker every Sunday or Monday. That way, you never miss a renewal and can make sure the right boost is active when you need it. So, this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. And if you want to get notified, make sure to ring the bell before going. And see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.